Hey, what is going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about the release dates for the new iPhone 13 and iOS 15. Now both of these of course are very closely related to one another, even though the release date won't be actually the same for both of them. Now iOS 15 currently is on beta 1, and of course it will go through a lot more beta stages through the summer until it gets released to the public. So we have reports which basically let us know the release date for the iPhone 13, and that way of course we can also know when iOS 15 will be released to the public. So let's go ahead, take a quick look at those reports and the calendar and see the dates when we can expect iOS 15 and of course the iPhone 13 to be released to the public. So we have two different reports from two very well-known analysts when it comes to Apple stuff, Ming-Chi Kuo and Dan Ives. So basically both of them point to the same schedule for the release of the iPhone 13. Now, according to Ming-Chi Kuo, the mass production of the iPhone 13 models is expected to follow a more typical schedule this year. So basically, last year we had a setback, and of course we had the iPhone getting released later. This year they will follow a more like typical schedule as the Apple does like every year, and we can expect, according to Ming-Chi Kuo, the iPhones to be released on late September, basically by the end of September. And the same thing can be seen here on the report by Dan Ives. According to him, the new iPhones will go on sale by the end of September 2021. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the calendar. So here we have September. So as always, the iPhone will go on sale actually on a Friday. Apple always does that. So we can see here September, and the last Friday of September is the 24th. Now I can expect Apple to actually set the iPhones on pre-order on the 17th. Probably they will present them. The keynote will be on the 13th or 14th of September. Then on the 17th, as always they do, they will go of course on pre-order, and you can expect to get your iPhones on the 24th. Now as far as the new iOS 15, that of course gets released earlier before the iPhones get shipped out, and that happens always a day or two before the iPhones get shipped to the public. And you can expect iOS 15 to be released on September 23rd, maybe even 22nd. I'm not really sure about that, but usually they release it a day before the new devices go out to the public. So expect the new iPhone 13 to go on sale on the 24th, and a day before you will get iOS 15 for your other devices. That will be September 23rd. That of course based on the user schedule that Apple follows every year. Of course last year was an exception. So basically that's what you can expect this year to happen, iOS 15 on September 23rd, and then of course a day later you can expect your new iPhone 13s and 13 Pros to come out and of course to be shipped. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and subscribe for more iOS 15 videos, and I will see you guys on the next one.